unacceptable. Court on Article 370 ceased to exist after 1957 argument. The Supreme Court has deemed the argument that Article 370 of the Constitution ceased to exist after 1957 as unacceptable. This argument was raised during a hearing challenging the abrogation of Article 370, which granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir. The contention was that once the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir was enacted in 1957 and the Constituent Assembly dissolved, Article 370 no longer had any effect. However, the court raised queries on the legality of this submission. The court, consisting of a 5-judge bench headed by Chief Justice D. Chandrachud, questioned the validity of the argument. They stated that they needed to examine the Indian Constituent Assembly debates and the intent behind the framing of Article 370. Senior advocate Dinesh Dwivedi, representing intervener Prem Shankar Jha, argued that nothing of Article 370 survived after the enactment of the Constitution of Jammu and Kashmir. The Chief Justice pointed out that if this argument were accepted, it would mean that the Constitution of India and its application to Jammu and Kashmir would be frozen as of January 26, 1957. The court found this consequence unacceptable, stating that it needed to consider the Constituent Assembly debates and the framing of Article 370. Dwivedi argued that Article 370 was a temporary provision that ceased to exist after January 1957.